blackbird, how is it you sing? How can you jubilate sitting in cages, never taking wing? Outside the sky waits beckoning, beckoning just beyond the bars. How can you remain staring at the rain, maddened by the stars? How is it you sing? Anything, how is it you sing? Green finch and linnet bird, nightingale, blackbird, how is it you sing? Whence comes this melody constantly flowing? Is it rejoicing or merely hollowing? Are you discussing or fussing or simply dreaming? Are you crowing? Are you screaming? Ring-dove and robinette, is it for wages, singing to be sold? Have you decided it's safer in cages, singing when you're told?